Hi, good day. Good morning, everyone. This is Ryan Lumipig. I'm also a member of NYC here in Kauswagan. So, as a leader of the youth, ako dong tumunga no ni vote ko is for the youth and to choose the worthy one. Mupilit ang mga kandidato nga naay pananaw sa youth for the improvement, for good governance. I'm also an advocate for youth for good governance. So, among mission and vision diri sa amo is to mold the young people to lead fellow young para naay future ang kabatan-unan. So, my advice to the youth nga karong election is mupili mo kinsa katong worthy nga mo alagad sa ato ang lungsod nga adunay interest dili para sa kagalingon kundi interest para sa katawhan. Kanang mga kandidato is they will serve for the people, not for themselves, and to eliminate corruption and for self-interest. So mao lang to ug I hope choose vote wisely.